Good morning, Tube, and welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is, what's today, guys? Let's see, getting my newspaper. Today is Thursday. New Year's weekend is about to start, guys. Today's crunch time already. So it's New Year's weekend, guys. New Year's weekend. Today is Thursday. What is it? The 27th, I believe. So we have days left in this year, guys. And you know what? Today, what I want to talk about, guys, I want to talk about goals. Setting goals. Setting goals for yourself for the year 2019. You know, you should always try to set some personal and professional goals, you know, some personal goals to help you grow yourself as a person at home, you know, whether it be helping your family or just being a better husband or a better boyfriend or whatever it is that you are, you know what I mean? And you should always set some goals as far as you can go for your business. You know, if you're like us for being barbers, what's your goal for the year 2019? Well, how do you want to progress? What is it you want to do? You know, I mean, you know, some of you might be to get your barber's license. Some of you might be to start barber school. Some of you is, you know, you're working to getting your own shop. You know, getting a clientele. You know, set some goals for this year. You know, I'm gonna share some of my goals with you guys. All right. So I'm gonna start off with my personal goals, because my personal goals right now are maybe a little bit higher than my professional goals. Only this year especially, because this is a special year for me. This year, I don't know if any of you guys know, but me and my girl, we're not married. We're gonna get married this year. We're getting married in 2019. So my special day is gonna be 10/19/19. So right now, that's my main goal for the year 2019. You know, like as far as my personal goal is to achieve that day, get to that day. You know, I gotta pay for that day. So it's a financial, not, I don't want to say it's a burden, but it's a money situation that I got to come up with. So that's one of that leaks over into my professional side, you know, and really, and on my personal side, that's my main goal this year is to get through this year, you know, get through it and just make it through this and make it the best day that I can for my lady and my family and for myself, of course, because it's a special day, you know. This is not my first rodeo. I've been married before. I was married once when I was 23. I married, it only lasted 1 year. It was nothing. It was, you know, it was a mistake. So, but now this is more. This is something really special. You know, I love my girl. I know we're gonna be together forever. So, this is my main goal. You know, and that leaks over into my personal side, into my professional side, because my professional goals for this year are you know, I want to advance for sure in my barber career, you know, as far as teaching and helping, but I'm kind of strapped this year. I wanted to start barber school to get my instructor's license, but I think I'm gonna put it off till after the wedding, you know, and then focus on that a little bit later. But for now, right now, as far as my professional goals here at the barbershop, is just to keep going. I mean, we're growing every day at our shop, you know. I still have one chair empty. I want to make sure that gets filled. I want to get a full staff. Once I get a full staff and a reliable full staff that I know that can handle this location right here itself, then I can concentrate on either going to school or opening another shop, you know. And in the new shop, it's gonna be a reality. Where it's gonna be is up for grabs still, you know. I want Vegas, but we're gonna look at all our options and we're gonna see. You know, Vegas is to me is a big dream right now, and that's a future. That's a lot more of a long-term goal. I'm thinking Vegas 2021, you know. So, but that's just some of the goals that I have, and I just wanted to share them with you and let you guys know that, you know, you gotta have goals, guys. You gotta set some goals, set some personal goals, set some, you know, some business goals, and try to achieve those goals and stick with it, because that's what it is to grow. You know, if you want to grow, you have to progress. You have to set goals so that you can get to that. You know, what do you want to do? Like me, like right now, one of my shorter term goals is, you know, and like this YouTube channel. You know, this year it was incredible for me. I don't know if I did really good. I think I did really good, but and I started off with 12 subscribers, and I'm almost at 700. You know what I mean? And I think that's good. You know, me personally, those are all homegrown subscribers. None of them are bought. I've gained every single one of them. I think I earned every single one of them, and you know, and it's fun. And this year I put out 300 videos, guys. That's a lot of videos that I put out. So you know, those are just some of my goals. Okay, guys, I'm here at the shop. We'll talk a little bit about this in a little bit. I'm gonna get inside, get started on this day. I got some appointments waiting for me, and then we'll see what's up. Another short-term goal that I have for myself too this year is, like I told you guys, and the main one is I'm getting married this year, and I want to just get through that. I really want to get through without having to put anything on credit. So it's going to be a grinding process. I'm gonna grind hard this year just to try to pay all this off. But at the same time, one of the other goals I want to do is I got to lose some weight. I've been gaining weight again, you know. And I don't know, for you guys don't know, Big Al comes from the word big. I was big before. I used to weigh 450 pounds. And in 2012, I got the gastric sleeve done. So when I got the gastric sleeve, I lost 200, and I got all the way down to 225 pounds from 450. I lost half of me. So, you know, but that was 6 years ago. So over the years, I've been gaining a little bit of weight here and there, and I've gained 50 pounds, you know, like I'm naturally I was a big dude. I was a big eater. So I still have those tendencies. I just can't eat as much as I used to. There's no way I can eat nothing what I used to eat before. So for me to get back to 450 is going to be difficult. But at the same time, I'm inching back up. Right now, I think I weigh about 290 pounds probably. But I need to lose 50. That's my goal, is to lose 50 from here to the wedding. So starting next month, you know, or should I say next week already, I'm gonna cut my drinking. I'm gonna watch what I eat, and we're gonna start exercising and just get in shape, get ourselves ready for this big day, you know. So that's one of my short-term goals that I have, that I wanted to just share with you guys. So, you know, this year I'm gonna change it up a little bit when I do my vlogs too. That's one of my professional goals for you guys, for the YouTube channel. I want to involve my shop a little bit more. I want to up my game as far as doing my vlogs. You know, last year was more, I spit out a lot of videos, you know. It's kind of a grind. I'm just trying to get as many videos as I can, trying to do the best that I can still, because this is all a learning process. YouTube is a learning process for me. But I know in the long run, YouTube is going to help me get better at my business that I'm doing now, which is barbering. And me being able to share with you guys my experiences and, you know, what I go through, and you know, just get you guys prepared, guys that want to be barbershop owners, because this is what we go through when you're a barbershop owner. But I wanted to share that with you. So just sharing, we're talking about goals and setting goals today, guys. I want to hear some of your guys' goals. Let me know. I want to throw me one that, let me know what you guys think and what you guys are planning for this year, and what are you trying to do for your career, and you know, whether it be getting into barber school or getting your barber's license or finishing it up in an apprenticeship, you know. Let me know. All right, I'm gonna head back to the shop, finish off this day strong. It's just me and Tony today, and nobody else came to work, so I've been super busy just doing appointments and staying focused. So I'll let you guys know. All right.
Every day is a win, since I was told that you don't want me. Baby, you're just calling. You know I try to hold on to where I still you.
Whisper
daughter, J-Lo and Raul. They came by right now and they hooked me up for my Christmas. A little late Christmas present, but check it out, guys. A Vincent case. If you guys don't know what a Vincent case is, that's the best case you can get. Look at this. Ready to go battle next month. I'm gonna bring back 2 of those trophies now. Comes with another case right here. Check it out. Put all your blades right here. A couple extra machines. Bad. It's a Vincent case. That shit's bad, dude.
Oh, Raiders stick around there.
That's it for today, guys. This day is over. You know, it was just me and Tone. So in the end, of course, it's a Thursday. We were for just me and him. It was perfect. We were extremely busy. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a full crew. Other than Fido, Fido's not gonna be here. So other than that, we're gonna have a full crew the rest of the weekend. This weekend's gonna be crazy busy. Just to reflect on what we were talking about earlier about setting goals, you know, short-term goals, personal goals, and then I shared a couple of mine. If you guys want to share some, you know, write them down and let's discuss this. You know, like everybody's got to set goals. Everybody has to progress in this business. You know, you don't want to just sit still, stalemate forever. And you know, even myself, like sometimes I feel like that. I feel like, you know, I've been in this shop already 9 years, and you know. Of course, I want to get another shop, and I see other people down the street. They just opened a shop 2 years ago, and now they open up a second shop. You know, and I think like, damn, I want to do that, but you know, then I see, you know, not that they're not doing it right, because you know everybody has a way of doing it, but not doing it. That's not suited to me. You know, not the way I cut hair, not the way I want to run my business. I'm a more personable person. I want people to come here and have an experience. I want people to walk out of here and say like, "Damn, that was nice. I want to go back there." You know what I mean? And someday when I open my next shop, I want what I developed here to continue. You know, so it's gonna take time. You can't just do it overnight. You know, and so I'm gonna work on that. I have short-term goals and long-term goals also for this year. I shared some of them with you already. So, you know, and I shared with you some of the important things that are coming up for me. Like I'm getting married this year. That's a big deal, you know. So those are just some of the things that are happening this year, and that I got to work with. You know, tomorrow's Friday, so tomorrow we're gonna discuss. I have a subject already set up for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna discuss going up in price because it's a new year, guys. You have to go up in price every year. Every year you have to go up in price. It's part of owning a business. If you don't go up in price, you're never going to progress. You know what I mean? When we opened this place 9 years ago, we were at we opened up at $10 and $12 for razor fades. You know, right now razor fades they're 20, but we're going to go up to 22. We're going up $2 this year. And then you guys know already. So we'll discuss that tomorrow in a little deeper sense, but for now, that's it for tonight. Did you see that case I got? That case is bad. I'm ready for this barber battle coming up at the beginning of next month. I'm gonna take you guys with me on that too. But that's it for tonight, guys. Think about what we talked about. Set some goals, short-term goals, personal goals. You know, strive to get ahead, strive to get better. Don't get stuck in the same spot all the time. You got to move. You got to progress. There's other little things that, like other goals that I want to do. I want to change these stations out. I'm going to get some pool boxes this year. That's another short-term goal that I got to set this year. It's a money thing, but it just needs to be done, you know? And so it's something that I got to work for. And I got to grind hard. That's what I always do. When I want something, I grind hard. And that's what it's all about. You just got to work hard. You want it, then you got to work hard for it. Nothing's for free in this world, guys. Remember that. You got to grind. All right, guys. I'll see you guys mañana.